Yeah, hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sheets in SwiftUI. So we have a sheet models and sheet creations in that one. It's like a bottom sheet. So if we are clicking something, it will come up, and we can do the details, and we can cancel from inside. So how to customize those things in our application? Let me show it over here. So this is our as usual our bottom navigation application. Okay, so in that I'm going to use this tab. Okay, so this is the profile tab. So we are going to have one button over here. Or we can access as tab gestures. Okay, in this tab we are going to open a sheet and close the sheet. So for the sheet we need first of all we need a state property. We need a state property private where. Okay, is it's a profile sheet, right? It's present is equal to false. Okay, for now it is false. So this is a binding property. So in that this one we can toggle this one. Okay, so dot toggle means it will, if it is a true it will be false, it will be a false, it is a true, so it will change the alternate one. Okay, that is a toggle one. So now we created this. So now we need to add a sheet property. Okay, so sheet we can add, you can add it anywhere in any of the properties, but it is better to add in the last property, like okay, sheet. Okay, so is the binding property we need to pass is, what is it, is profile present. Okay, that is a binding property. So in the content phase we are going to pass, we don't want to pass like this. In the content phase I'm going to pass this. Okay, you can see the content, right? So in the content phase I'm going to pass, what is this, so I have a profile view. So we have done this one actually. So this is a form which we done before, the same form which we done before, the form thing. So the form thing we are going to use it over here, profile view. Okay, so profile view. So this profile view we are going to use it. What is that? Okay, I think, okay, so not this one is present. Okay, so yeah, this present. Okay, yeah, now it is good. Okay, so this is how it will work. So now if I click the, where is it, once it is run, so now if I click the text view, what is this text box, it will open. Okay, so actually it will open. So let's go to this place, and if I am clicking this one, so bottom sheet is coming, right? So this is the bottom sheet. If we are closing this one, it will close. Okay, if I'm doing this, it will close. So it is like default close. So what if we want to close by ourselves inside the sheet? So for that we can use this. So this is a profile view, right? So in the profile view I'm just hiding this form. This form is none of our topics. So this is, if you want you can see, I have a video for this form, you can check it over here. Okay, for that we have a property, inside a sheet we can take it a environmental property, right? Environmental property as where. Okay, so not where, environment dot slash, sorry, dismiss. Okay, so where dismiss. Okay, so this is a function actually. So whenever we want to, so I want to click the button and close the function, means I want to call this as a function. So this should be act as a lambda function or something. Okay, so where is the button? So this is a button. So button action is submit. Okay, so this is the submit action. So I am just commanding this one, so you can see it. Okay, I am just action is command. Okay, I'm just commanding the other validations. I'm just giving this dismiss. Okay, so now what will happen? So it is refreshing. So now where is it? I need to go to content view. Okay, so let's give this content view. Okay, so I'm going here and I'm giving present. Okay, so now before that this one will be closing. So if we click this button it won't close, but now if we click this button it will close. So that's why we gave the thing over here. So here also I'm content view. Okay, so this will be easy. Okay, so that's how the dismiss will go. So if you want to check the things within this one, means we can check it like this. So same way we can check present, the sheet is present or not. Also we can check like environmental property, for we have an environmental property for that. Okay, present is present, where is present. So this is a boolean function, so if it is present you can do some actions, so if it is not present you don't want to do some actions. So like that we can do some other new properties also in here. So where is the sheet? So this is a sheet, right? So in this sheet we have full open, half open, like that, right? So like that we can, like, presentation didn't, okay. I don't know what is the dent is. Okay, so in this one we can pass like where is it? Okay, yeah, this one only. Okay, yeah. So we have to pass like what are the things we can accept. So it is like large, medium, and custom fractions also you can give. Okay, okay. So medium means this one. Large means full open. Medium means half open, and you can give it like the fraction things, like fraction like 0.25%. It will be half. Okay. So this should be, we can give, what is the issue? Okay. Okay, it is above 16 only, so below 16 it won't work like that. So we'll give it like enclosing property like this. Okay, so now it will load, so you can see I think some other issue is there. What is this? Okay, 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 yeah. So now you can see we have a lot of properties. So this one of the property, I'll let you finish, let me finish my other properties also. So this presentation have a corner radius, so we can change the corner radius over here. Okay, so it's like which corner radius we need, a 20 pixel corner radius means we can add it. So you can have drag indicator visible, so if you want to visible the drag indicator you can give it a visible. Okay, so like that we have so many properties. Like one of the few properties are background color we can change, so presentation. Okay, so background indication, background color, background styles. So everything, mostly everything we can change. Background color, like we can give color dot system gray. Okay, so like this we can give so much color things. So mostly everything will be like higher things, so we have to it's like all are in a newer versions only. So SwiftUI is a newer things, right? So all are in a above 16 or above things only, so we can do it with some if case. So if it is if this one, we can do it like that, so not like this. Yeah, if this one means not here. Okay, yeah, else only this one. Okay, so this is how. Oh, okay, no. Yeah, okay, now it is good. Okay, yeah, now it is good actually. So this is how it will do the things. So now if it is above 16 it will work over here, below 16 it will work. So we have a lot of properties inside. If you type presentation you can see more things. So mainly we won't use those things, you can customize by. So one of the major thing is like these two things: how to dismiss the sheet from inside, how to check the sheet is present or not is in from the inside. Okay, yeah, thank you.